But also the other important thing there is that in addition to these drug, if it were just drugs, then you have to deal with a drug breakdown and all this stuff. So the other important set of data in that paper is doing the same thing, but with RNA injected directly into embryos. So there are no drugs. There's no issue of what happens to the drug in the medium. It's just every embryo gets the same amount of RNA that normally would destabilize development in a particular way. And the other thing to add here, which is important, is that it's actually doubly surprising, because the standard, if you were to ask somebody, okay, I have 50 embryos in a dish, and what I'm going to do is instead put 300 embryos in a dish, what do you think is going to happen to their health? Typically, the expectation would be it should get worse. Because by having more embryos together, you have more opportunity for crowding effects, for toxic byproducts to accumulate, for oxygen to be pulled out of the medium, and all that kind of stuff. So you would typically you wouldn't just not expect this effect; you would actually expect it backwards. You would expect to do worse in a larger group, and that's why this is so remarkable. This is really just completely counter expectation.